Okay, so I put those aside. Let's do the best for last, okay? Only like 2 from here. I do like it. Little ASMR moment. I don't know if you can hear. I had to get all the way in the mic. And I might have to have a part 4 for the donuts. Never mind.